Hello, how are you? My sightseeing pass doesn't allow me to book.
Sightseeing bus to how many bucks a year is
No
coming?
problem. Just head over to our entrance on 34th Street. You'll use the kiosk on the second floor to make your reservation.
It's just to get in for the...
And it's just
I don't feel really, do you feel different? Yeah. Do you feel like you're traveling? Or just normal?
mix.
Mix. Ako din mix din ako. Kasi may pagod pa rin sa akin. Saka yung wallet ko? Yung new one?
Yeah.
Oh, this black that was in his mail office. I'm distracted.
Yes, you walked away.
So, oh my God, I'm not gonna lie.
Hello.
How you doing, sir? How you doing?
Sorry, we're going to the...
How's the place on there?
Second floor.
See that guy standing right there? You want to uniform there, please?
Yes, well, okay, thank you.
You are.
Excuse me?
Hi, good morning. Good afternoon. Oh, it's really. I didn't know this. We were trying to book it on our Southseeing Pass, but they said there's a reserve booking, a timing. It doesn't allow me.
Okay, go to the second floor. You can do it now.
I can do it now, but I can do it later. Like, I mean, we can go later.
Go to the second floor.
Just reserve it today.
You can select whatever time you want.
Okay. Liam, Pami. No.
Okay.
Hindi natin ka magkano.
2 for $15. Yung isa naman.
2 for 15?
Oo.
7
2 for
valid.
10.
Baka maka-discount pa tayo.
Second floor is gonna be your next stop. One person at a time.
One person at a time. We're just going to do a reservation.
Around to the second floor.
Second floor, thank you. Second floor.